They call Tennessee the volunteer state for a reason. The tornadoes had barely left Tennessee this week when thousands began stepping forward to help. Mireya Villarreal met one woman who went above and beyond.
Early this morning, at the corner of two debris-lined streets in northern Nashville, we found Mireya.
Are you in the military too?
Hours after the tornado hit her Nashville neighborhood Tuesday, the former Marine sergeant began mobilizing volunteers.
Looks like a war zone. I mean, look at this.
The celebrity trainer took to the streets and started a GoFundMe page. So far, it's raised more than $30,000, which Mireya says she'll distribute to neighbors like Terry Warren.
I was standing in that house, and when the house started shaking, I just knew it was going to fall apart and everything.
The tornado destroyed his home. Now he's sleeping in his car just feet away from Mireya's mobile operation.
It was like a miracle. They were there when I needed them the most.
It'll take time for the people here to heal.
We'll never be the same here, and it kills me.
I can tell it really kind of tugs at your heart.
Music City may have changed, but its character has not. And this week, Tennessee, the volunteer state, lived up to its nickname. Mireya Villarreal, CBS News, Nashville.
Help is on the way.